Today we are making delicious soup recipe for weight loss. Spicy black bean soup. Ingredients: 1 can black beans, drained and rinsed. 1 onion, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 red bell pepper chopped. 1 can diced tomatoes. 2 cups vegetable broth. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. Salt and pepper, to taste. Fresh cilantro chopped. In a large pot, sauté the onion, garlic and bell pepper in a little water until tender. Add the black beans, diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, cumin, paprika. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot, garnished with chopped cilantro. Nutritional information. Per serving. Calories 220. Protein 15 g. Fat 0.5 g. Saturated fat 0 g. Carbohydrates 40 g. Fiber 10 g. Sugar 5 g. Sodium 200 milligrams. This soup is high in fiber, protein, and vitamins, making it a nutritious and filling option for weight loss. You can also customize it to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. You can also add other vegetables like spinach or carrots to increase the nutrient density of the soup.